Good morning to everyone. Today topic is the drug information storage and retrieval. It means how to storage the drug or retrieval. How to use or retrieval means how to use, and the storage means how to storage that information. Therein I will explain this topic. Drug information storage and retrieval purpose you are using the process of compiling data and available information on a particular drug that can be accessed as a when required. Drug information storage and retrieval refers to the process of a compiling data. Process of a compiling data. Process of a compiling data and available information on a particular drug. Available information of a particular drug that can be accessed and when they required. And the computer having the possible compilers access and display the relevant data on a given drug. Computer having the some storage boxes are there using for the storing purpose. And the types of storage media are there. How many types are storage media is there? Storage media types. Storage media. How many types are there? First one is the hard drive. Everyone know hard drive? In the hard drive is used for the some computers or laptops, and anywhere you are using to that word hardware. And next one is the floppy disk, and third one is the CD or DVD. Everyone know CD or DVD. I know CD or DVD. Fourth one is the USB flash drive. These are the four types of the storage media are using to store the drug information and retrieval. First one is the hard drive, and second one is the floppy disk, and third one is the CD or DVD, and fourth one is the USB flash drive. These are all the drug information storage purpose you are using. First one, in the drug information of the pharmaceutics satisfy the queries and about the pharmacological actions or drug interactions or adverse drug reactions, how to use the drug and which reactions are there in the patient, that information is there, toxology etc. The such job is simplified by the use of the computer. The computerized information retrieval is time saving and pleasant with the additional advantage more than through the timely than the manual search. Computers can store massive amounts of the drug data or information. A many number of data are stored in the computer. The term drug information simply means information penetrating to the drugs, pertaining to the drug. The more contemporary term medical information is often used to alternative also encompass information to the health but not directly related to the medication. One of the technicians primarily responsible in the pharmacy of a drug information center is meaning the inventory of all resources, and resources should store the organizing fashion and kept up to the date. And also pharma companies are used to computers are used something that has in the enhanced ability of the pharmaceutics and carry out due to the higher standard. In the storage media having the hard drive is there. First one I will take the hard drive. How to use hard drive? It found inside the computer and it used to store the all the programs used by the computer. If this hardware particularly using for the using the data in the computer having the every time you are storing in the some particular record or any other programs or any other languages or your subject books or any other songs also you are downloading and save the total directly stored in that information to the hard disk. Hard disk mainly used for the this is the inside the computer. Hard disk is the inside the computer is there. Hard disk and is used to store the all programs used by the computer. And next one is the floppy disk. This is also one of the storing purpose you are using the floppy disk also. Floppy disk is used for the it is a portable storage medium that can be used to per requirements. It can store a large amount of data. In the hard disk is also using for the storing the data. But in the floppy disk, you are using to store the data, and a very large number of data also stored in the floppy disk. Sometimes large data is there. That time you are using the floppy disk. The main purpose of the floppy disk is the medium can be used for the it can be storage. It can be stored for the large amount of data. Large amount of data. In both hard driver and floppy disk, both are using for the hard driver, floppy disk, both are used for the storing purpose. But in the hard drive, you are using to store the data. In the floppy drive disk is used to the store the large amount of data used for the floppy disk. That time you are using very useful to the floppy disk. And next one is the third one is the CD or DVD. Everyone in particular persons, every person are used to CD or DVD. Some marriages or some events also. The CD is the drive. CD is right to copy to the one function CD or any other having the programmatically and using to the particular daily life. You are using the CDs or DVD. This is also one of the storing purpose you are using. It also is an external device which can be used to store the information. This is an external device. How this is the external device? It means the computer having the some particular port is there. You will place that port, open that, some DVD option is there. Option, then some drive is open. That drive you are using to store the DVD, and again you are press that button. The CD is open that computer. In you are observing the laptop having the side one button is there. That button is open. Click on that one, port is come out, and that port you are implemented stored that CD, and again that button is pressed and the CD is open. That is used for the CD. This is it is also used for the external. This is also an external device. It means external device means external device. This is also storing the information. Storing information purpose you are using. These both three are using for the storing purpose. But is CD is the external device. External device means sometimes the computer having the total GB are completed. It means some particular computer is 64 GB. The 64 GB is totally full that computer. In that time some particular important data is there. That important data, how to store the data, how to store, that time you are thinking and store how that data is stored in my computer, having the total information is there and total GB is completed. How that time you are, how to read, that time you are using the external devices CD or DVD and the storing the data, and which time you are having that you want that data, that time you are using that CD. That is the external device. And fourth one is the USB flash drive. USB flash drive means using for the comparatively smaller than other storage devices and can be used to store more amount of data. It is comparatively smaller than other storage devices. This is the compared to other devices. This is the very small other storage devices that can be used to store amount of data. This is very simple. This is the very smaller device, storage device, that can be used to more than amount of. This is also used for the storing the data. How with what is the example? Flash drive, USB flash drive. Example is the pen drive. The pen drive is a very low. Some having the 2 GB pen drive, 4 GB pen drive, 8 GB pen drive is there. This is the comparatively the floppy disk or hard disk comparatively very small devices. This is pen drive is a very small device storing purpose compared to this hard drive or floppy drive. These four are used for the drug information storage and retrieval. What is the drug information storage retrieval mean? If particular drug having the how to increase the data or how to increase the disease, that total information there in the drug information store. In that particular purpose, you are using the storage purpose, you are using the four types of the data is used. Drives are used. First one, devices are used. First one is the hard drive, and second one is the floppy disk, and third one is the CD or DVD, and fourth one is the USB flash drive. Hard drive means you are using to the storing purpose any record or any computer or use it for the hard drive. And next one is the floppy disk. Floppy disk is used to the large amount of data is there, that time you are using the floppy disk. And CD or DVD means it is an external device and it is also used for the storing purpose. And fourth one is the USB drive. USB drive also is this storing purpose you are using, but is the USB drivers. USB flash driver means it is the smallest drivers devices compared to the other devices. The example is the pen drive. I will again explain the Telugu in this theory part. Drug information storage is used how to use. It means drug information and storage is used for the your storing purpose. You are using the drug information, and the hard drive and floppy disk and CD or USB cable are the four are used for the storing the purpose. Hard drive means it is computer used to store the information. Hard drive means in this the data is storing purpose you are using. ఇందులో కూడా మీరు డేటా అనేది సేవ్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఇలా హార్డ్ డ్రైవ్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని డేటా స్టోర్ చేసుకుని ఎవ్రీ కంప్యూటర్ కానీ ల్యాప్టాప్లో కానీ హార్డ్ డ్రైవ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద స్టోరింగ్ పర్పస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్. ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద స్టోరింగ్ ద పర్పస్. అండ్ ఈ ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్లో కూడా మనం డేటా అనేది స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాం అనమాట. బట్ ది ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్ ఆర్ వెరీ లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా స్టోర్డ్. ఆ ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం? లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఆ ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్లో ఉండే డేటాని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటారు. అది ఎక్కువ లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉన్నప్పుడు అది యూజ్ చేసుకుంటారు. కంపేర్ టు హార్డ్ డ్రైవ్, ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్ ఇస్ ద వెరీ లార్జ్. అంటే దీంతో పోల్చినప్పుడు ఇది అనేది పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది ఫ్లాపీ డిస్క్ అనేది. ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇది సిడిఆర్ డివిడి. ఇది సిడిఆర్ డివిడి ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ డివైస్ ఆర్ స్టోరింగ్ పర్పస్. ఇట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ట్రా. అంటే మీకు ఏదైనా డేటా యూజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేటా ఉంది, ల్యాప్టాప్లో కానీ కంప్యూటర్లో కానీ చూస్తే మొత్తం డేటా ఫిల్ అయింది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఎక్స్టర్నల్గా కావాలంటే ఒక సీడీనో డీవీడీనో తీసుకుని ఆ డేటా అనేది స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటారు. అందుకని సీడీ ఆ డీవీడీ అనేది ఎక్స్టర్నల్ డివైజెస్ కింద వస్తుంది. అందులో కూడా స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటారు డేటా. బట్ పర్టికులర్ సమ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా, స్మాల్ డేటానే స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద యూఎస్బి ఫ్లాష్ డ్రైవ్. యూఎస్బి ఫ్లాష్ డ్రైవ్ ఆల్సో స్టోరింగ్ ద డేటా పర్పస్. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ స్మాల్ కంపేర్ టు దిస్ బోత్ త్రీ, కంపేర్ టు యూఎస్బి ఫ్లాష్ డ్రైవ్ అని వెరీ చిన్నది, స్మాల్ అంటే చిన్నది అనమాట, చాలా చిన్నది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పెన్ డ్రైవ్. పెన్ డ్రైవ్లో 2GB, 4GB, 8GB అంతే. కంపేర్ టు దిస్ వెరీ స్మాల్. ఇన్ దిస్ some people are understood English and some people are understood Telugu. That's why I am using to both languages. This is the drug information and storage and retrieval. Thank you watching my video. Thanking all.